Yo, what's up everybody, Mark here, and today we're diving deep into the world of 4K with the Samsung 55-inch class DU7200 series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. That's a mouthful, I know. You can find this bad boy over at Best Buy rocking the model number UN55 DU7200 FXZA and SKU 6575355. Now this sleek piece of tech is going to set you back around $359.99, but hold your horses, we gotta see if it's worth those hard-earned dollars. So buckle up, grab your popcorn, and let's break down what makes this Samsung TV tick. We're talking stunning 4K resolution, vibrant colors thanks to Crystal UHD, and a whole lot of smart features powered by Tizen. Is this the ultimate entertainment upgrade you've been waiting for? Stick around to find out. First things first, let's talk about unboxing. We got the TV out, no damage, always a good sign. Setup was pretty straightforward, just a few cables to connect, and we were in business. The design is sleek, minimal, nothing too flashy, which I personally dig. The bezels are thin, almost disappearing when the screen is on, giving you that immersive viewing experience. The remote, gotta talk about the remote. It's slim, lightweight, and feels good in the hand. No more of those clunky remotes from the Stone Ages. Plus, it's got dedicated buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, and even Samsung TV Plus, which is a free streaming service with a surprising amount of content. We'll circle back to that later. But overall, first impressions are solid. Let's see what this baby can do. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. The star of the show here is obviously the 55-inch 4K display, and let me tell you, it does not disappoint. We're talking about 4 times the resolution of your standard HD TV, which translates to crazy sharp details and vibrant colors. I'm talking about those individual blades of grass in nature documentaries, the intricate patterns on your favorite superhero suit, you name it. The Crystal UHD technology really shines here. Samsung's using this tech to enhance the colors, making them pop off the screen. I tested it out with Guardians of the Galaxy Vol 3, and let me tell you, the space scenes were out of this world. Explosions were more vibrant, the alien landscapes were more detailed, and Star-Lord's leather jacket never looked so good. Bottom line, if you're a visual junkie like me, you're gonna love what this display brings to the table. Now let's talk smarts. This Samsung TV is packing their latest Tizen operating system, which is basically the brains of the operation. Now I know what you're thinking, MKBHD, I've heard horror stories about smart TV interfaces, and trust me, I've been there. But Tizen on this thing is surprisingly smooth and intuitive. Navigating through menus, switching between apps, it all feels snappy and responsive. No lag, no fuss, just pure entertainment goodness. One of the coolest features is the Universal Guide. It basically aggregates content from all your favorite streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, you name it, and puts it all in one place. So instead of jumping from app to app, you can just scroll through this one guide and see what's on. It even gives you recommendations based on your viewing history. Pretty slick, right? Okay, we've established that Tizen is surprisingly smooth, but let's dive a bit deeper. The interface is laid out in a way that just makes sense. It's got a clean, modern look with big, bold icons that are easy to see from across the room. And like I mentioned before, navigating through menus is a breeze. One thing I really appreciate is the level of customization. You can rearrange the apps on your home screen to your liking, so all your most used apps are just a click away. You can even customize the picture settings for each input, so your gaming console can have a different look than your Blu-ray player. It's all about giving you the power to tailor the experience to your specific needs. So, you've got this awesome 4K TV, but it's useless if you can't connect all your gadgets, right? Don't worry, Samsung's got you covered. We're talking 3 HDMI ports, more than enough for your gaming console, Blu-ray player, and even a streaming stick if you're feeling fancy. You've also got 2 USB ports for connecting external hard drives or other peripherals. And for you old school folks, it even has a component input, so you can hook up your vintage gaming consoles or VCR players. Yeah, I said VCR. Plus, it's got built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect wirelessly to your home network and other Bluetooth devices. Alright, time for the real talk. Every gadget has its quirks, and the Samsung 55-inch DU7200 is no exception. Let's start with the good stuff. The picture quality, like we talked about, is phenomenal. 4K resolution, Crystal UHD technology, vibrant colors, the works. The smart features are also a major plus, with Tizen being surprisingly smooth and user-friendly. Now for the not-so-good. The sound quality is decent, but it's nothing to write home about. It gets the job done for everyday viewing, but if you're a serious cinephile or audiophile, you might want to consider investing in a soundbar or surround sound system. Another thing to note is that the viewing angles aren't the best. The picture quality starts to degrade slightly when you're viewing from the sides, so this TV is best suited for smaller rooms or for when you're sitting directly in front of it. So, the million-dollar question, is the Samsung 55-inch DU7200 worth your hard-earned cash? Well, at $359.99, it's definitely a mid-range option, but it offers a lot of bang for your buck. You're getting a stunning 4K display, a smooth and intuitive smart TV interface, and a sleek design that'll look good in any living room. If you're looking for a solid all-around 4K TV, and you're not super picky about sound quality or viewing angles, then this TV is definitely worth considering. It's a great option for casual viewers, gamers, and anyone who wants to upgrade their home entertainment setup without breaking the bank. Alright, time for the final verdict. The Samsung 55-inch DU7200 is a solid 4K TV that offers a lot of value for its price. It's got a stunning display, a user-friendly interface, and a sleek design. While the sound quality and viewing angles might not be the best, they're not deal breakers, especially if you're mainly watching content from straight ahead. So, who is this TV for? I'd say it's perfect for budget-conscious consumers, casual viewers, and anyone looking to upgrade from an older HD TV. It's also a great option for gamers who want a responsive display with vibrant colors. Overall, the Samsung 55-inch DU7200 is a solid choice that offers a great balance of features, performance, and affordability. Peace out.